Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to schedule a mail on Hotmail. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with and on the search URL, type in outlook.com. Here you will land on this interface. To log in, first of all, click on Sign In button from the upper right corner of this interface. Here enter your Microsoft email, phone or Skype. Then click on Next. Here you can enter your code that has been sent to your email, that's your one-time code, or you can also go with your password. Here I'll go with the code. So for that I will check my email. Once you sign in, you will land on this page. This is basically your Hotmail as well as your Outlook account. Now to schedule a mail, first of all you have to compose a mail. For that, click on this new mail button from the upper left corner. Here enter the email address of the recipient. Under that enter a subject. Then under that empty space you have to type in your email. Once you're done with that, just above this section you will get send button. Near that you will see this drop down menu icon. If you click on there, a dialog box will pop up. Now in order to schedule this mail, click on schedule send. Here you can schedule your email. You can go with tomorrow morning or Sunday morning. You can customize your time as well. For that, click on this button that says custom time. From here you can custom your date and time, and once it's on, click on send and this mail will go and stored in your drafts. So go ahead and click on drafts. Here you will get this mail that has been scheduled to this date right here. So this is how you can schedule a mail on Hotmail. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.